Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into 18 top-secret military gadgets that look straight up illegal. Robots, drones, and insane tech that feels like sci-fi but is real. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your cart right now. Extend Systems, or X-10 Defense, is transforming modern military operations with autonomous and AI-assisted unmanned platforms built for real combat missions. Their systems help soldiers extend reach into dangerous environments while keeping personnel out of harm's way. Platforms such as the Extender Micro-Tactical ISR drone, Scorpio, Honey Badger, and Wolverine can operate in GPS-denied, jammed, and electronically contested areas. At the center is the XOS operating system, allowing one operator to control multiple drones at once with AI support. This reduces training time and improves mission success. Trusted by the U.S. Department of Defense, Extend delivers next-generation tactical drones, loitering systems, and battlefield situational awareness worldwide. Teledyne FLIR SUG V325 is a portable military robot designed for real battlefield missions. Weighing around 20 pounds, it can be carried and deployed quickly by a single soldier. Despite its compact size, it can climb stairs, cross rough terrain, and reach speeds close to 7 miles per hour. It features a modular sensor system that delivers high-definition video, thermal imaging, and stitched 360-degree situational awareness. With 30x optical zoom and two-way audio, operators can inspect threats and communicate remotely. Its 5-degree of freedom manipulator arm supports precise handling tasks, making it ideal for reconnaissance, EOD assistance, and hazardous inspections where speed, safety, and accuracy are essential. Sky Hero Defense SIGIN Mk1 is a compact military reconnaissance robot designed for high-risk tactical missions. It is built for short-range indoor operations where GPS and cellular signals do not work, such as inside buildings or underground areas. Soldiers can throw the device into hostile zones to instantly receive real-time audio and video feedback. It includes front and rear wide-angle cameras with day and night vision, supported by infrared LEDs for low-light environments. Made from aviation-grade carbon fiber and reinforced polycarbonate, it is lightweight yet highly impact-resistant. With encrypted communication and system integration, it improves situational awareness while keeping operators safer during critical missions. Revision Eyewear delivers advanced eye protection for military personnel and tactical operators, combining safety, durability, and clear vision in harsh environments. Built to exceed U.S. Army and military ballistic standards, its high-impact polycarbonate lenses protect against debris, shrapnel, and environmental hazards. The lineup includes full-face goggles like the Desert Locust for maximum coverage, and low-profile glasses such as the Stinger Hawk in Slingshot, designed to fit comfortably under helmets and communication headsets. Anti-fog and UV coatings ensure reliable visibility during demanding missions. Lightweight and ergonomic, Revision Eyewear helps operators maintain situational awareness and visual precision. Trusted worldwide, it turns eye protection into essential mission-ready tactical gear. The Dogo Combat Robot is a hand-portable tactical system designed to handle dangerous situations from a safe distance. Built by General Robotics, it weighs around 11 kilograms and can move through stairs, obstacles, and tight indoor spaces. It streams real-time 360-degree video using multiple integrated cameras, giving operators full situational awareness. Using the Ranger remote control unit, teams can aim and operate it with point-and-shoot control. Dogo can mount a compact pistol for remote engagement or switch to non-lethal modules such as dazzling lights and pepper spray. Two-way audio allows communication during hostage, anti-terror, and urban operations. It combines reconnaissance, engagement, and safety into one mission-ready robot. Edge Autonomy VXE-30 Stalker is a compact, long-endurance military drone designed for persistent ISR missions in land and maritime operations. It belongs to the Group 2/NATO Class 1 VTOL UAS category, allowing vertical takeoff and landing without runways. The system is highly portable and can be transported easily in trucks or SUVs. Powered by rechargeable batteries or a solid oxide fuel cell, it can achieve over 8 hours of endurance and reach up to 160 kilometers communications range. Its modular design supports multiple sensor payloads, including electro-optical, infrared, and AI-assisted wide-area motion imagery. Fielded by U.S. Marine Corps units, VXE-30 delivers stealth, situational awareness, and mission flexibility in demanding environments. Anduril Industries' Ghost X is an advanced autonomous drone built for small unit reconnaissance and battlefield awareness. It combines long endurance, modular payloads, and rugged design to perform missions beyond typical small drones. Its single-rotor platform supports quick reconfiguration with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared sensors, communications relay kits, and other mission modules. Powered by Anduril's Lattice command and control software, Ghost X can automate flight planning, navigation, and airspace management, allowing one operator to manage multiple drones efficiently. With approximately 75 to 90 minutes of endurance, a range near 25 kilometers, and up to 9-kilogram payload capacity, it bridges the gap between quadcopters and larger ISR platforms. Tested globally, it delivers flexible, AI-assisted tactical performance. Lubawa EOD-1 is a modern explosive ordnance disposal robot designed to keep bomb technicians safe during high-risk missions. Built for real operational use, it allows teams to inspect, identify, and neutralize suspicious objects from a safe distance. The robot is compact and mobile, capable of moving across rough ground, narrow passages, and urban environments. It features a strong manipulator arm for lifting, grabbing, and handling dangerous items with precision. Equipped with high-quality cameras and sensors, it provides clear, real-time video for detailed inspection. Operators control it remotely, reducing direct exposure to explosive threats. Reliable and mission-ready, EOD-1 supports EOD teams, police units, and military forces in critical safety operations.